Welcome back. Now, the RBI has proposed on-tap bank licenses in the private sector. In its draft guidelines, it's proposed to allow applications for universal bank licenses at any time, subject to a list of conditions. Muthoot Finance, which had failed to obtain one in 2014, has decided to apply again. And joining us now, George Alexander, the managing director. Mr. Muthoot, to understand from you, really, are the regulations a little different this time? How do you feel your chances will be when you do go ahead and file that application this time around? What's going to be different?
Yeah. Oh, hello. Yes, I think so. We had applied in 2013. At that time, only two aspirants got the license, and they said that they are giving it again on tap. So, first of all, we are happy that the on-tap scheme has been opened now. As far as Muthoot Finance, we were keen at that time, and we are keen today also to apply for a full banking license. So universal banking license is something we have been looking at also. So now that the new guidelines have come, we will certainly be applying for the full guidelines.
Okay. A couple of things, Mr. Muthoot. For instance, you need a minimum capital, you need the promoters group stake to be brought down as well, and so forth. Are you prepared as a company with all of those conditions? Are you working towards it? How well prepared are you to meet those requirements?
Yeah, I think the 500 crores of capital which they have asked, I think is quite reasonable, and also the promoter holdings, etc. They have tweaked a little, and again the holding company provisions also has been made little more easy. So those are all positive things only. And as far as NBFCs are concerned, from the reading of it, it looks like NBFCs are being considered very positively for this new license.
Okay. In terms of for you as a group, what is the kind of opportunity you see from this line of business going forward? Give us a sense as to why this is going to be significant for you.
Yeah, I think we had even in earlier time also, when the early license was there, our advantage is that we have an all India presence even today. We have 4,500 branches. Quite a few of them are in the rural areas, where the business, we can get a head start on starting the business. That's number one. Number two, we already have a very good loan customer base. We have about 65 lakh active loan customers already with Muthoot. That can also come in handy for us. And the second, we also have very good liability, in the sense we have a very good investor base. More than 4 to 5 lakhs investors, retail investors are there with us, who are now invested in the non-convertible listed debentures. They are also potential depositors when the banking license comes. So these are one of the head starts which we have, and it's a working company. We have our own computers, we have our own banking, core banking systems, etc., suited for this. So all those things can give us a head start. That's the advantage we see in this business.
Fair enough. So let me rephrase the question then, Mr. Muthoot, and understand from you how confident you are of getting it this time around.
So yes, of course. If the regulator feels that we are suitable, we are good, we will get it. And if they give it to us, we are confident of running it well. That is what we can assure.
All right, fair enough. Thanks so much for joining us with all the latest there, and we look forward to seeing what's going to happen next with regards to those banks. Remember, quite a lot of demand for them. Even in the previous round, we had everyone from Bajaj Finserv, the Birla Financial Services, L&T Finance, LIC, all of them bidding for that license. So it'll be quite a competitive sort of ask once again as well. All right, let's take a very quick break. As we do, listen to Gaurang Shah of Geojit BNP Paribas on his outlook going ahead.